My name is Sam Chaudhary. I'm a real estate broker in the state of Texas. Wanted to talk to you about conventional financing. Conventional financing is the very most common financing out there, which can be offered by every lending institution out there. It doesn't matter if it's going to be a bank, credit union, mortgage banker, or mortgage broker, because they follow the same guidelines, which is issued by Fannie Mae. Anyhow, to buy a property with conventional financing, all you need, residential property, is 5% down. 5% down, right? There are some lending institutions which will do it for 3% down, but you do not want to use them because they're going to, or you don't want to use that product because they're going to really spike up your interest rate, right? So what other requirements what you have in the conventional financing? Well, conventional financing, they require you to have at least a certain amount of time for your job, and at the same time you have to have at least a 680 baseline score, right? It is always recommended to have a credit score higher than 720 for the conventional financing for you to get the best rate, but if not, it's okay still, you know. But so can you put more than 5%? Yes, if you put only 5% down, you have to pay something called a PMI, private mortgage insurance, which is, or MIP, or mortgage insurance premium. The lender wants to feel comfortable that you're not going to default on it, or if you are, then the insurance is going to be covering part of it, you know. So can you but end of the day, MIP can be tax deductible for you, but you have to contact your tax professional for that. But is it worth it for you to put down more than 5%? There's something called a cost analysis, right? And a good real estate agent or a good or a lender will actually give you multiple options. So you always want to ask, hey, is it okay if I put down 5%, 10%, or 20%, which will get me the best rate possible, and at the same time, keeping your cost down. So it's a risk versus reward analysis. You definitely have to do that. So my recommendation is, hey, if you can put 20% down, absolutely put 20% down. But you know what's the main secret a lot of people don't tell you is actually if you go 22% or 21% or 21.5%, your rate is a possibility might actually also come down by another 1/8 of a point. A lot of people will never tell you about that. Anyhow, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Sam Chaudhary. My phone number is 832-419-4700. Talk to you then.